Hello and welcome to Market Wrap with Raja. Today is the 5th November 2020 and the markets are definitely in a bullish frame of mind. Well, I have been talking about this for the last so many days that the markets are not giving up their lower levels and they have rebounded very well. And if you had seen my video last 2 days ago, I had spoken about the US elections. Yes, when you do technical analysis, friends, चाहे निफ्टी हो या निफ्टी आईटी हो, जो बिडन हो या ट्रम्प हो या कुछ भी रहने दीजिए, अगर डेटा है और उसको प्लॉट कर सकते हैं तो उस पे आप जरूर आपका ओपिनियन दे सकते हैं. एंड टू माय सरप्राइज एंड आल्सो टू माय लाइकिंग दैट जो बिडन इज showing lot of action, and Joe Biden seems to be heading towards taking the seat and dethroning Donald Trump. Well, probably he may bid goodbye to Trump, or whether Trump is going to blow his trumpet once again. Well, it's a matter to see, but then the news flows, the news press, and also the websites are speaking about Joe Biden giving a very tough challenge. Yes, if you do technical analysis, anything is possible, and that's why I always love the subject and I keep sharing it with me on these videos, these type of videos. And if you're watching my video for the first time, I would like you to go and give a like to this video and also subscribe to my channel, because we do a lot of interesting work, and I'm happy that you are seeing this video right now. So, well, when speaking about Nifty had its challenges, but then Nifty has managed to come about, एंड अ लार्ज क्रेडिट वुड गो टू बैंक निफ्टी, क्योंकि बैंक निफ्टी की मदद के बिना निफ्टी इस मुकाम पर नहीं पहुंच सकता था. और 12,000 क्रॉस करने के लिए उसे एक मोमेंटम की जरूरत थी, उसे एक स्पीड की जरूरत थी और उसे एक जबरदस्त पुश की जरूरत थी, जिसे बैंक निफ्टी ने दिया निफ्टी को. और नाउ वी आर सीइंग दैट आफ्टर क्रॉसिंग 12,000 निफ्टी हैज मूव्ड स्प्लेंडिडली वेल राइट थ्रू द डे. There were signs of profit booking on this expiry day, and the first week of November expiry we have had a resounding ending and Nifty showing lot of promise. क्या ये promise जो हमने देखा है 12,000 के ऊपर, क्या ये बरकरार रहेगा या वापस वही कहानी, निफ्टी वापस नीचे की तरफ चली जाएगी? These are some questions which keep popping up, और इस सवाल जवाब के पीछे एक ही का सॉल्यूशन जो है इस सवाल जवाब के लिए, एक ही जवाब है टेक्निकल एनालिसिस और नियो ट्रेडर, जिसके द्वारा हम ये सारे वीडियोस करते हैं. और इस बार भी हम उसी दिशा में जाएंगे. और इफ यू टेक अ लुक एट टुडेज एक्शन, many sectors finished in the green. There were some mild profit booking in the real estate, and overall जो option chain की बदौलत हमें जो supports दिख रहा है, Nifty, the new supports in Nifty have moved to 11,800. That is a maximum pain point जहाँ पर काफी concentration है position का. और बैंक निफ्टी में पहुंच गया है 25,000 पर. तो जो सपोर्ट पिछला जो रेजिस्टेंस था वो अब सपोर्ट बन गया है, और मुझे लगता है कि आगे चल के 12,000 का लेवल जो है इट कुड बी एक्ट एज अ गुड सपोर्ट. व्हाई एम आई सेइंग दैट, एंड व्हाई शुड यू बी लुकिंग एट दोस लेवल्स is what I am going to be sharing with you right now, because those kind of analysis is very essential. And if you take a look at those levels, let me just share with you. So if you take a look at the whole markets, and if you take a look at why we are speaking about 12,000, तो 12,000 की जो लेवल है उस पर काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंस है, और उस पर मैं जाना चाहूँगा. बट लेकिन पहला एक नज़र हम लोग जो यूएस इलेक्शन की चार्ट है उस पर डाल देते हैं. आप देखिए कि ये था यूएस इलेक्शन का जो चार्ट विच आई डिस्कस्ड 2 days ago, and you can see that the way the triangle breakout has emerged. There was a breakout in Biden and there was a breakdown in Trump, and with the help of technical analysis we were able to somewhat forecast what could possibly happen. Well, we are Indians, and we have got better things to worry about, but then US elections is something which is very fancy. So that's what I thought, that let me just give a take using technical analysis of how we can give a small forecast about the US election. So that was about the US elections. Now let's get back to business. Let's try and find out what we have in store for Nifty, what we have in store for Bank Nifty, because they seem to be showing lot of promise. तो पहले चलते हैं निफ्टी की चार्ट पर. अगर आप निफ्टी की चार्ट जाएंगे तो यू कैन सी हियर दैट around this zone there was quite a bit of resistance level, and after this resistance level was surpassed today, Nifty managed to hold those levels quite well, and this area marked on the chart could now become the new support zone. So immediate support zone based on the charts is emerging around 12,000, and the next is the based on the option chain is around 11,800. So we can see that lot of put writing has happened around those levels, and we can expect that the Bank Nifty has given lot of support to Nifty to go the way up. But then the position जो concentration हो रहा था almost 2 हफ्ते से, पूरे अक्टूबर महीने में अगर आप देखेंगे काफ़ी सारा टाइम बिताया निफ्टी ने टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट रियली आई शुड डू. इट वाज रियली कंफ्यूज्ड, एंड कभी हाँ कभी ना सिनेरियो में काफ़ी दिन निफ्टी ने टाइम बिताया, लेकिन उसके बाद it led to people thinking that yes, market has made a top. That is the biggest problem with everyone, that people take their own decision, and people confirm it without even bothering to look at all the other parameters. So personal opinion doesn't mind have any credence in the market, and you can see here that right now people who were bearish are still continuing to hold the position. I still do believe that there is some more shorts in the system who are expecting that yes, Nifty will come down and the same story would follow. But then the overall setup does look ominous, and we could expect some short covering action early up tomorrow morning. And yes, this news flow will also play a part in triggering the sentiment, and all these things could add to the masala for tomorrow. But then do remember, tomorrow is the last trading day of the week, तो थोड़ा प्रॉफिट बुकिंग हो सकता है. तो इस मुकाम पे एग्रेसिव ब्रेकआउट बाय करना उचित नहीं है. Better to buy on pullback mode. Why am I saying that? I am saying that because I was very much in favor of Bank Nifty, but then Bank Nifty is hitting an important zone. So I will discuss about that. Hang on for some more time. Let's first ask our friend NeoTrader and find out where are the levels and what are the levels to watch out for. So what NeoTrader is telling us right now is that around 12,150, which is an important zone, the place at which you may feel some resistance zone. Once that is crossed, because of the pace of action, because of this fast movement of Nifty and Bank Nifty, you may not find a lot of confluence zones, but then you will definitely find levels to act. So on the upside it's 12,150, on the downside it is 11,970, which also is around this gap area. So those could be your support zone, and on the upside 12,150 is the resistance zone. And right now Nifty is definitely well above the pivot levels. So yes, overall setup does indicate that it could be a positive day tomorrow. And once it crosses that, we have some confluence levels at higher zones around 12,300 to 350, and that could be a confluence zone, but then that's still far way off. अगर कल भी एक एकदम action packed दिन रहा तो we will definitely see the Nifty challenging those levels. But then that is something what we wish for, but then what we wish doesn't happen. It is the way of the market, and you got to follow that for your profits. Now let's go down and see why I am saying that Bank Nifty, which I was for, has suddenly come into a spot which you need to be worried about. You can see here that the Bank Nifty has been moving very, very well, and I am right now concerned because it is reaching an important threshold level. It's reaching the midpoint of this upper channel of the pitchfork around 26,500, and then the 1.618 level is on at 28,500. So you have a 2,000 point move, but then the first hurdle for Bank Nifty is 26,500. That is the first target which I am expecting in Bank Nifty, and once it reaches there, it could be a profit booking zone considering it's the last trading day of the week. But then who am I to say so much for the market. I am just one of the participants and I'm sharing my view here. And the way the markets are looking like, these levels could just be a number. Like they say, age is just a number. On charts, the prices may just be a number. But then if you are aware of the significance of those prices, it definitely helps you to plan your trade. And that's why you need to keep watching my videos. You need to subscribe to our channel. You need to comment on these videos, because your love and support brings me back time and again, shows me that yes, people are enjoying my videos, people are liking my videos, and people are acting on my levels. Because the levels which I tell you in this video is not just some numbers on the top of my head. I'm showing it to you with justifications, and I'm showing it to you with a chart setup, and I'm sure that you will definitely benefit, because many people are benefiting and they are joining my channel. And if you have benefited too, I would like you to share this video right now with all the people whom you think need some guidance in technical analysis, need some guidance on the trading, because this kind of structured analysis is not done on the internet. So now let me go and take a look on NeoTrader, and I find that yes, 26,300, 350 to 380 is an important zone here. And once 380 is crossed, you have got a lot of levels on the upside. 26,750 is an important zone. You can see here I had spoken about Bank Nifty, which is around 26,650. So around 650 to 700 is a resistance zone, which is also been flashed by our friend NeoTrader. So in a nutshell, we are seeing that yes, the overall setup is definitely looking to be something quite interesting, and this is what we are going to see right now. And looking at the way the markets are behaving, we can definitely understand that the positive sentiment will continue to build, but we need to understand how to participate in the market. So my approach would be a buy on dip levels, and I have already shared with you those levels to watch out for. I'm sure that these levels will help you benefit from the market. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, subscribe, and comment on this video. This is Radha Venkatraman signing off. I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader and also your trading influencer. I've been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. Stay safe, stay healthy.